Braukunst auf höchster Stufe und lebensvoll geworden.
Ja, und ich bin überzeugt, das interessiert auch unsere Besucher. Haben Sie Lust? Dann kommen Sie mit auf eine Reise in die Welt des Biers.
Video. Video only. Amazing, man. Huh? Yeah.
Water is the source of life. The source of the water used for our beer is a nearby mountain. These sources make up the water reservoir of the city of Salzburg. Before the water sees the light of day here, it is filtered through almost 2,000-meter thick limestone deposits that make up the mountain massif and emerges here. Water is the main constituent of beer. The way it comes from nature as clean, pure drinking water has an important influence on the special taste of the beer. Water is the foundation of human civilization and farming. Without water, there would be no fields, no harvest, no life.
Huh?
I'm not coming in the frame, right?
Second?
I'm not coming in the frame, right?
You? Sometimes you can, that's fine. It's awesome, man. Right?
Hops are today considered to be the soul of beer. The Bavarian purity requirement from the year 1516 ordained that beer should, in future, only be brewed using water, barley, and just hops. The several meter high hop plantations are a characteristic feature of the Upper Austrian landscape. Only the unfertilized female blossom clusters, umbels, are suitable for beer brewing. Hops provide the bitter aroma of beer and are responsible
Take
for
my
an
photo.
attractive and lasting foamy head.
Take my photo. From there, take my photo.
It's spring in the fields of the Stiegl Wildshut. The cereal plants are still only a few centimeters high. Only old grain varieties are planted here. Barley is an ancient cultivated plant and, apart from water, the main raw material for beer production. The barley gives the beer its taste, its body and its colour.
Take my photo.
Yeah, I'm taking video.
When in June the farmer strides through his fields,
Video came from there. We can pick. Take from a few.
it is
photos from
harvest
this.
time in the fields.
Huh?
If you tap on screen, you'll able to
The grain must meet special quality standards when it is harvested. These include protein and water content and a certain defined grain size. The grain's path now leads to the malting house. Wildshut is a small malt house with exceptional technology. All the processes that are used to refine grain to malt can be carried out here in a single facility. The grain is first washed, then soaked, and now a controlled germination takes place. This process takes 5 days. Germination results in the production of enzymes, which later, during brewing, convert the starch contained within the grain into maltose. When this has been completed, drying and roasting takes place. The precious malt is brought to the brewery by rail. The brewhouse is the heart of a brewery. Here is the place where water, malt and hops are united. During so-called mashing, the substances contained within the malt dissolve in the water and maltose is formed. Solids are removed by purification. Proteins are precipitated, the worst concentration adjusted, and the hops dissolved by boiling. The master brewer measures 12 degrees of original wort and is satisfied. This is precisely how a full-bodied beer should be brewed. The yeast bank at Stiegl. The cultures are stored deep frozen. Only a few breweries use their own yeast strains. Yeast plays a further important role in the beer brewing process. Only with a microscope can one see that yeasts are unicellular organisms that reproduce by simple cell division. It is these yeast cells that now decisively expedite the brewing process through the fermentation process. It's silent in the fermentation cellar. The immense stainless steel tanks conceal the events taking place within them. Fermentation takes a week. The beer is nevertheless still not finished. The final stage, the storage of the beer, takes 3 weeks. This time is important. The beer becomes clear, matures in taste, and is enriched with carbon dioxide. Despite the most up-to-date technology, beer brewing remains a craft. It is actually more than this. It's an art. Every step must be learnt, but above all, sensed. It is the taste of the master brewer that forms the taste of the beer. The beer noisily bids farewell to the brewery, the large filling hall. It's a long journey from water, hops and malt to a finished beer. To get there, one needs the right natural products and brewing technology. A centuries-old craft that has been handed down from one master brewer to the next. Beer is a truly divine medicine, wrote the physician Paracelsus, who worked in this city. It could be that it's the ingredients and the brewing art that make one taste it. Just the nature of beer.
Awesome, man. Yeah.